Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect OBS to Google Meet so you can share professional looking scenes instead of just your regular webcam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once it's launched, navigate to Scenes and click the plus icon. A window will pop up asking you to name your scene. You can enter a custom name if you'd like, or just leave it as the default and click OK. This scene will act as the canvas for everything you want to display during your Google Meet call. Now, in the bottom left corner, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon there as well. From the list that appears, select Display Capture. This option allows OBS to capture everything that's happening on your screen, which is perfect for sharing presentations, videos, or any other content during your meeting. A new window will appear asking you to name this display capture source. For example, you can type Google Meet or anything that helps you identify it later, then click OK. Next, you'll see another window with more options. Look for the display setting, and right beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your preferred display from the list. This is especially useful if you're using multiple monitors, as you can choose which screen you want OBS to capture. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm. Now, let's activate the virtual camera feature. In the right panel of OBS, you'll see a button labeled Start Virtual Camera. Go ahead and click it. This step is crucial because it tells OBS to broadcast your scene as a virtual webcam that other apps like Google Meet can detect and use. You'll notice the button text change to Stop Virtual Camera, indicating that the feature is now active. With OBS ready, it's time to switch over to Google Meet. Open your Google Meet window or tab and click the three dotted lines, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new page where you can adjust various meeting preferences. In the left panel of the Settings page, click on Video. This section controls all your camera and video-related options. Under the camera heading, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select OBS Virtual Camera from the list. This tells Google Meet to use the OBS scene you just set up instead of your regular webcam feed. Once you've selected it, you can close the settings window, and that's it. Everyone in your Google Meet call will now see the OBS scene you configured instead of your raw webcam. This gives you full control over what appears on screen, whether it's a presentation, multiple video sources, or a customized layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.